Alright, 2015 Jeep Wrangler Mirror Toggle switch replacement. You got your screwdriver. Pop the one side out. And you're going to pop the other side out. And just wrench it around a little bit till it comes out. Then there's a little clip here. Take your screwdriver. Move that around a little bit. Alright, we got a new one here. Just gonna get this open. Same thing, only new and actually working. Pop that back on in. You can tell which way it goes because it has that, obviously. And it'll snap right in. And voila! It's good to go.